Hi everyone. So if you didn't do too hot on your lab report or you didn't turn it in, you're going to have to do the lab report reassessment. This is how you access the test. So if you're on our 7-1 science page, look over here onto the side, scroll down until you see lab report reassessment. You're going to click that. Here's a description of who needs to take the exam. If you have not submitted your final lab report, you have to take this exam. If you score below a 65 on your scientific method lab report, you need to take this exam to improve your grade. If you score between a 65 and a 79, this test is optional to improve your grade. If you scored 80 to 100, you don't take this test. So, you're going to click exam, and you can take this twice. And you're allowed to use your notes. You have to have this in by Friday, October 30th. If you have any questions, let me know.